Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the fingerprint scanner here works so fast. We can unlock the device just less than 1 second. This is the really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but just be careful because this unlock method is less secure than the PIN codes or passcodes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.